Solve the equation 4 to the power y minus 3 in brackets 2 to the power y minus 10 is equal to 0. Grace and peace to you all, and welcome back to my channel. This is Donald C. I'm an author of A Hidden Mathematical Genius Within Revealed. Okay, so today's question, we are going to apply two concepts. We apply the concept of quadratic equations, and after that we also apply logarithms. Okay, so we have 4 to the power y minus 3 to the power y minus 10 is equal to 0. So we want to solve for y. So first thing, what we'll do here is we can see that we have 4 to the power y and 2 to the power y there. We need to solve for y. So you cannot solve for y direct as it is, since it's a power there. Okay, so what we can do is we can try to make this 2 to the power y to be just a single variable. And here where we have 4 to the power y, we can express it in terms of 2 to the power y. Okay, so how many times can we multiply 2 to get 4? Okay, so 2 to the power 4 is 2 to the power 2. So where there is 4, it will be 2 to the power 2. Okay, so where there is 4, it's 2 to the power 2. Then again we have power of y minus 3 in brackets we have 2 to the power y, then minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so here we have power of the power multiply. So 2 times y, you get 2y. So we are going to have 2 to the power 2y minus 3, then in brackets 2 to the power y, and minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, then we'll let 2 to the power y to be just a single variable. In this case, let's say x. So we'll say let 2 to the power y equal to x. Okay, so here 2 to the power y is x. So when you remove 2 to the power y, we remain with the power of 2. So 2 to the power y is x. So this becomes the x to the power 2. That is x squared. So where there is 2 to the power 2y, it will be x squared. So we have x squared minus 3. 2 to the power y is x. So x squared minus x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, now this is a quadratic equation, and we know that there are 3 ways of solving quadratic equations. We have factorization method, computing the square method, and quadratic formula method. And for this one, we use factorization method. So for factorization method, we need to have product, sum, and product sum. Then we need to get the factors. Okay, so our product there is minus 10. So product is minus 10, and our sum is minus 3. So we need to find 2 factors. These 2 factors, when you multiply them, you should get a minus 10. And when you find their sum, you should get a minus 3. Okay, so what 2 numbers can you multiply to get a minus 10? Yes, it's minus 5 and 2. So minus 5 multiplied by 2, you get minus 10. And minus 5 plus 2, you get minus 3. So where there is minus 3x, we are going to replace with minus 5x and plus 2x. Okay, so we have x squared. So here where there is minus 3x, we are going to have minus 5x plus 2x. Then minus 10 is equal to 0. Then here we need to factorize by grouping terms. Okay, so what is common in these two? We can see that x is common, so we divide out x. So we are going to have x, then x squared divided by x, we get x, minus 5x divided by x, we get 5. Okay, and in these two, we can see that the common factor there is positive 2. So divide out plus 2. So 2x divided by 2, you get x. 10 divided by 2, you get 5. So is equal to 0. So we can see that here the common factor is minus x minus 5. So we divide out x minus 5. So we have x minus 5. So when you divide out x minus 5 here, you remain with x. And when you divide out x minus 5 there, you remain with plus 2. So plus 2 is equal to 0. So we have x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 2 is equal to 0. So here there is a product. Okay, and we know that if you are multiplying two terms and the result is a 0, it means one of the two is a 0. Okay, so since here we have x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 2 is equal to 0, it means either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so to solve for x now, here to remain with x, here there is minus 5, so the opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. So you add 5 to both sides, so you remain with x is equal to 0 plus 5 is just 5. So x is equal to 5. Or here we have x plus 2, and to remain with x, we need to do the opposite of plus 2. And the opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. So you subtract to this side and this side. So here we have x is equal to 0 minus 2 is just minus 2. Okay, so those are the two solutions for x. And remember, we are not solving for x, but we are solving for y. Okay, we let 2 to the power y to be x. So where there is x, we are going to put 2 to the power y. Okay, so this is 2 to the power y is equal to 5, or 2 to the power y is equal to minus 2. Okay, so here is where now we apply the law of logarithm, which states that if we have a to the power x is equal to b, this is equal to, it's x is equal to log b base a. Okay, so this power is equal to the log of this base of that. Okay, so to solve for y here, we'll say it's y is equal to log of 5 base 2, or y is equal to log of negative 2 base 2. Okay, and again the other thing we need to remember is that a log of a negative is undefined. So here log of negative 2 base 2, this one is undefined. So the value of y is just 1, which is y is equal to log of 5 base 2. Okay, so that is the answer for the value of y. Y is equal to log of 5 base 2. You can even get the actual value if you are using a the calculator. But for now, let's just end here. Thank you so much for your time.